BALACLAVA up in this bitch.
All right, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do the kickstand turn on an e-bike or an electric motorcycle. I don't know why when I was watching videos online, they made it look super easy. Maybe I'm just not as seasoned as everyone else. So if you have any tips for how to make this look a little bit more fluent and how to make it look better, drop it down in the comments. You might be asking yourself, who am I to teach you how to do this? Well, I just learned how to do it myself. And who better to teach others than someone who recently learned how to do something? Did I do it? Balaclava. I'll do a turn to show you what it looks like, just so I can actually put the kickstand in your point of view and then explain what it looks like. Now, my bike is a lot heavier than others, or maybe I just ain't been in the gym for real. I don't know, but I've been trying to balance it on the kickstand, and it doesn't look as fluent as it does on other filming creators' pages. It's your boy. That was actually a little smoother than the first time. Now that I have the kickstand where you guys can see it, as you take a look here, you're gonna wanna have your kickstand all the way open. Basic key, or the basic thing that you're gonna wanna achieve in this is to balance the bike onto the kickstand. You're gonna wanna balance all the weight. I recommend going on top of the bike and lower portion of the bike where your seat, you tilt it towards you. Once you got it like that. All right, it wasn't pretty, but not everything in life is. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and who knows, maybe in a couple months, I'll have that looking a little cleaner. Make sure. Oh, Lord. I did it, but it didn't look smooth.